Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. I have here my popsicle with a little candy. I'm so sorry, my brother shouting. Then it has little whistle. Wait, again. Sorry, my mom called me. Then I have here some again. Then look this. Wait. How I will catch the camera. It can slice. Then you'll see here. We sell stick candy. Let's open. Then it has gold wrapper. It will open by my oneself. As you see, there has small candy like this. Looks like marshmallow, but it's so very little. Now I grab it. Look like this. Want some here? I will for you. And I will give away if it's Christmas. No. Marshmallow bag. It's very yummy. Okay, guys. And this one. Very nice. It's like marshmallow bag. Sorry. One little. Thanks for watching. I hope I'm ugly.